everyone, I'm your girl Norleen with another Quick Fix Wednesday. Today I will demonstrate how you prepare this quick fix vegetable wrap. To begin, add 1.5 tablespoons of virgin olive oil in the frying pan. That's enough to activate the flavors in my seasoning. Now on the plate, guys, I have some assortment of bell peppers and onions and Scotch bonnet pepper, some carrots and some tomatoes, and of course some finely chopped garlic. And just about a teaspoon of blended seasoning. So guys, while I'm waiting on the pot to warm up, guys, I'll show you in the other pan, non-stick pan, I have 2 tortilla wrap. I am going to show you how I'm going to make this baby transform into something healthy and nutritious. So I'm going to start with my onions and the blended season and the garlic, guys. Give this video some likes, my people. Share it with your friends and ask them to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Wims2020 and like my Facebook page at Walking in My Mother's Shoe. What I want the flavors to be activated, guys. I don't want them to smell all the onions and the garlic and the blended season. I will add to that my carrots, the bell pepper, and I'm going to use all of the tomato. It's half of a tomato, or Roma tomato. In the Caribbean we call it the cooking tomato. So I've added half of the Roma tomato and all the green onions. But no, plenty of uno, like me, uno don't eat up all of the Christmas cake. Uno don't eat up all of the jerk chicken and the curry goat and the managed water and the rice and peas. Uno don't eat up all of the good food down a yard. So I know you guys gonna appreciate this. And even if you're not from the Caribbean, I know you had a blast over the holidays. Now I'm gonna add my cabbage. People add a little bit of cauliflower to it, because I want that extra crunch from the cauliflower, people. To that, I'm going to add a tablespoon of margarine. I want my vegetables to turn smoothly in the pot. Here, so I'm going to add some blends of pepper in it, some all-purpose, garlic salt, steak seasoning. I love it, guys. I put it on every single thing I am cooking. Guys, I use cabbage, but if you want to use spinach, you can go ahead and use spinach. You can use pak choy, whatever vegetable, whatever leafy vegetable you want to use, guys. It's really up to you. Follow whatever rock your boat, keep on rocking it. It's 2021, so whatever works for you guys, feel free. Remove my egg yolk. One, yeah, one. Yeah, it's done. Cabbage nice and crunchy. Got that done. Let's move on to this, people. I'm gonna do them one at a time. Your tortilla is getting warm. When you see bubbles start forming on the surface, yeah, I'm using my hand to do this, pushing them to the side while I put the other one to warm up. Alright, so one side of the tortilla is done and I've flipped them over, and I want to get them flat, so I'm using my hand to push it down to remove some of the air from the center of the tortilla, and I'm going to layer on that cheese. I'm going to spoon onto that the cabbage. See there? Now simple, move it onto a plate. You can warm still, so be careful when you're moving it from the pot. A little bit more fresh peppers and some green onions, and I'm gonna add just a little bit more cheese. I fold my wrap. I'm gonna tuck, unwrap. See there? It's a wrap, people. There it is. This is the vegetable wrap. I'm sure you've enjoyed the time in the kitchen with me, and I know you will definitely try this next time you are in the kitchen. Remember guys, share this video with your friends. Let them know a food we prepare. Come, get your share. So guys, I'm simply gonna cut this so you can see just how lovely it is inside. I know you see how awesome and easy this is. So once again, it's another of my mother's favorite, my mother's recipe from my pot onto my daughter's table. Guys, thank you so much for coming along with me in today's cooking experience. Remember, WIMS 2020 only gets better in 2021. It's a wrap for today's whimsical Wednesday's dish. But before I go, I leave you with this food for thought from Psalms 107 verse 9. For he satisfies the thirsty and fill the hungry with good things.